Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Gisou honey-infused hair perfume. So if you've seen it on Instagram, you've seen it on a lot of other people's reviews, and we just wanted to let you know about our thoughts. So it is a hair perfume, which means that you use it just, to get a fresh smelling scent on your hair. So it has like sweet, so let me just spray it to the world. So it has like lights, it's like a very florally smell, and like has a light scent of honey in it as well. So it's a lot of like florals if you're trying to go for like a flowery smell. It's a very delicate, so it's like light, and I can see it not weighing on your hair much. So I usually like to use the Olaplex oil before I go out, and so sometimes I'll spurt a little bit of this too. Basically it's formulated to like refresh your hair, to keep it like feeling fresh and smelling fresh. So it's infused with honey to like scent it with the honey infused fragrance. It nourishes your hair. So like the way that you're supposed to put it on is by like dividing and sectioning your hair into multiple pieces. So usually I go by like 4 sections, and then I'll do like a spurts in each. Like I said, it doesn't really add anything. It's pretty weightless, so it doesn't feel like you have a heavy oil on or anything. And I usually just use it like when I can remember to use it, like if I'm trying to like smell good before I leave. And this is what it looks like. Honestly, you don't need much. I feel like even 4 spritz is actually a lot. Like now that I'm smelling it in the air, I would probably just go with 2 spritz. So if you are interested in it, I would recommend it, just because like we don't really have perfumes for our hair, like we have perfumes to wear out when we go out, but it gives you that fresh hair smell if you like haven't washed your hair in a day or 2. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. If you're interested, the link will be in the bio. Thank you so much for watching.